What's that?
Were you videoing me then?
You open your present. Are you taking it off, are you?
It's just melted off.
Merry Christmas to you too. I'll take it in there then, Charlie. You taking it in there?
Doesn't know what to do with it.
Do you want to open it? That's what you do with presents. Alright, take it in there then. You can open it, Charlie. Okay. Alright then. Hello, Tavi, look. You can open your present. Look. Look. Hey. You can open it. Tavi. Tavi's dark. Look. Look. Look, look, look. Oh, look. Oh, look. Opening the present. Oh, big 8-year-old girl, aren't you? Go and eat. Go and open the Christmas presents. Go on. You know you want to. Shall I help you? Let's help you. Let's see. Oh, Tavi, look. That's it. That's the spirit girl. That's what I'm on about. That's what you like doing, isn't it? Oh. Good girl. Hey, look. Christmas cat stocking. Yeah. That's brilliant, isn't it? I'd be happy with that. Yes, I would. Anyway, Christmas from Tavi. Merry Christmas. From Tavi's Docksmith. Here she is. Yay. Alright, Merry Christmas, darling. Merry Christmas 2017.